What is capital? What job pays $30,000 a year for daytime work and upwards of $30 million in year for work during evenings and weekends? Answer: English teacher. That is, if you happen to be Stephen King, author of many horror classics including Carrie and The Shining. King started out his career teaching high school English in state of Maine. But it wasn't his talent as a teacher that made him one of the richest people in the entertainment industry. It was his talent as a writer of spellbinding novels that have sold hundreds of millions of copies worldwide and been adapted into movies, video games, and dozens of spin off products that keep the cash registers ringing.